Hey guys, John here from Diode. Today we'll be going over the difference between our C1 and C1R LED pods. Now these pods can be found in our popular HitchMount LED pod that fits any 2-inch trailer hitch, as well as a universal application that includes mounting brackets as well. While both options have the same housing, the C1 and C1R have different PCBs inside and function differently. First, let's talk about the features they share. Both the C1 and the C1R have a high-powered white function that adds an additional reverse light to your vehicle. Thanks to the included wiring harness, this high-powered white will automatically come on when your vehicle is put in reverse. Both options also have a low-power red function that can be used as an additional running light while driving. If you're looking for a running light and reverse light, the C1 is perfect for you. However, if you're looking for more functionality, the C1R steps things up a notch. It has a high-powered red function, in addition to the high-powered white and low-power red functions. This high-power red gives you a powerful fourth brake light anytime the brakes are applied. The C1R also has an optional safety strobe feature as well. This means when the brakes are applied, the high-powered red will flash 3 times for greater visibility. This strobing brake function has an internal timer. This means it will only strobe after you have not touched the brakes for 10 seconds. This prevents constant strobing in stop-and-go traffic. The internal timer is 10 seconds, so if you hit the brakes in that 10-second period, it won't strobe again. We've also been asked what happens if you're backing up while hitting the brakes. The white reverse light will remain on even if the brakes are applied. We've also been asked if there's a version without the running light and only the reverse light function. In this case, you can simply cut the blue wire on the C1 option to disable the running light if you're only looking to use it as the reverse light. As you can see, both options give you more light output and provide greater visibility to other drivers. If you're looking for just a running light and reverse light, the C1 is perfect for you. However, if you want that high-powered fourth brake light and optional safety strobe feature, go with the C1R. Either way, they're both a fantastic option. If you have any questions about our C1 or C1R, let us know in the comments below. And if you're interested in any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.